Okay, so what are like terms then? Okay, so like terms, type it out. I'm used to doing my notes this way. I know you can't put yours in a box. Like terms, very simple. They have the same variable. Same variable with the same exponent. Exponent. So if I have 3y squared, just so we understand the vocab, the 3 is the coefficient, the y is the variable, and the 2 is the exponent. Okay, so if I have an example, say I have negative 3y squared plus y squared. Well, the coefficients are negative 3, and whenever we don't write it in algebra, there's a 1. Those don't have to be the same. Don't care about that. But the variable is a y, and the coefficient is a 2. So same variable, same coefficient. These are like terms because the y squareds are the same. Whereas if I have, say, make an example over here, say I have 5y to the third and a negative 2y to the fourth, well, coefficients I don't care about, those don't matter, but I have a y and a y, but I have a 3 and a 4. Those are different, so these are not like terms. They have to have the same variable and the same coefficient. I mean, same exponent. Same variable, same exponent. So these are not like terms, but these over here are like terms. So try it out. Group the like terms. Just put them together. So let's see. I have a 3x. And I have an x. So 3x and x are like terms. For my y's, let's see. I have a regular y. I don't have any other y, so y will stay by itself. Doesn't have any like terms. I have a constant. Constants count. I have a negative 5 and a 4. Those are like terms. And I have a y squared and a negative 3y squared. So negative 2y squared and negative 3y squared. These are all my like terms. I have 4 different groups of things that I can combine. They didn't ask me to combine them, so I'm not going to. Just do what they ask you to do. So 3x and x, just the y by itself, negative 5 and 4, negative 2y squared, and negative 3y squared. Those are all of the like terms here.